Cuddalore tragedy. School van hit by train, 3 children dead. What happened? On 8 July 2025 at around 7:45 am, a school van carrying students to Krishnaswamy Vidyaniketan Senior Secondary School in Kumarpuram, Cuddalore district, Tamil Nadu, attempted to cross unauthorized railway level crossing gate number 170, a non-interlocked, manned crossing between Cuddalore and Alapakkam. Tragically, it was struck by the Viluppuram-Mayiladuthurai passenger train number 56813, resulting in 3 student deaths and several injuries. The deceased were Charumathi aged 17, Chezhian aged 15, Nimilesh aged 11. The investigation: was the gate open or was it closed? Railway's early stance. Southern Railway initially stated the gatekeeper was in the process of closing the gate, but the van driver insisted on crossing and was allowed to do so. A later update clarified the gate was closed, but that the driver pressured the gatekeeper to open it, allegedly to avoid delays. Eyewitness accounts. Survivors, including a 15-year-old student and the driver, testified that the gate was open, with no train sirens or signals, when they crossed. Villagers claimed the gatekeeper was absent, and that the gate had been left open or unattended. Official findings so far. Police confirmed that the crossing was unclosed and there were no warning signals as the van approached. Southern Railway has suspended the gatekeeper, lodged an FIR, and initiated dismissal proceedings. A multi-departmental investigation by safety, operations, and engineering officials is underway. Why this matters? A genuine failure to close the gate could indicate severe human negligence or inadequate safety procedures. Conversely, if the gate was closed but opened under pressure from the van driver, the case shifts toward accountability of both the driver and the gatekeeper and exposes possible weaknesses in protocol enforcement. Non-interlocked crossings like this, without automatic barrier systems, are especially prone to human error. In this case, the Southern Railway also revealed that an underpass sanctioned over a year ago was delayed by local administration, focusing attention on long-standing infrastructure gaps. Voices at the scene. Survivor, a 15-year-old, said, "Today, the gate was open. There was no stoppage, no train sound. Our van got on the tracks, and suddenly the train hit us." Van driver aged 47 said, "The gate was open, and there was no train siren or sound when we crossed the gate." Local farmer attested that the gate was left open and unattended. What comes next? The official inquiry by railway safety, operations, and engineering teams continues to determine the precise sequence of events. Meanwhile, Southern Railway and Tamil Nadu's Chief Minister have announced compensation packages and expressed condolences. The incident has reignited calls to modernize non-interlocked crossings, including replacing them with underpasses or automated gates, projects delayed in many parts of India. The bottom line. The fatal collision at Cuddalore underscores a dire safety dilemma. Was this a gate left open due to negligence, or a failure of enforcement when human pressure was applied? The answer lies at the heart of ongoing investigations, but irrespective of blame, it reveals how vulnerable manual railway crossings can be. Urgent modernization and strict protocol adherence are needed before more lives are lost.